Hello, my beautiful people. How are you all doing? It's your girl, Happy Seller. Thank you for joining. I really appreciate you. Depends on where you are watching me from. Yes, today I said let us do something little. For those asking me, how do I dress when I buy from you? I don't know how to do it. I said, okay, let me just come and make this short video for you guys. You understand? Let me just do this. Today I decided to come alive to show you guys how to put on your dresses. Maybe you buy it for self-use, you don't want anybody to dress you, but you love to do it on your own. This is how to go about it. Then after tying the wrapper, if you have somebody that will help you to tie the wrapper very well, you can see, then they will help you to tie the wrapper to your back. Me, I don't have anybody to tie it for me. That is why I just tie it like this. And here you can see how this place is full. Normally it's not supposed to be like this. Then you tie it back. You can as well ask your husband to help you to tie it to your back when you are doing it. Then after then you carry your bead, put it on. I have different type of bead. I cannot be using all the beads, you understand? I have different types of bead. I cannot be using all the beads to do my practical because they are for sale. Then you arrange your beads on your neck. You arrange your beads on your neck one after the others. Then keep on arranging. Depends on the one you are using. Yeah, just then you keep on arranging until you are okay with it. Until you are okay with your beads. Keep on arranging it. You must not buy up to this extent. Just buy 1, 2, 3. Depends on the one you can afford. Depends on the one you can afford. Then this is the already made cap. So people normally ask me that sometimes they do plates Bob Marley or Tristan, or sometimes they do Fist with Von. If they can use this cap on their wing, yes, you can use, but you can still see extra space. You can see how big it is. You see much space on it. You can use it. Yeah. Can buy it and do it on your own. You can do it. It is possible. Even for your cultural dance in church, when we are celebrating Women Day, you can as well use it. See how beautiful this one is. Maybe very soon start up makeup class. Don't mind me, hardly draw eyebrow. Don't mind me. Then after everything, if you decide to change your earring, you can change it as well. Please always help me to share this video. It will not take anything from you. God bless you. The more you share, the more you make me to love you. Make me to love you the more. And we have different earring. Pick the one you want. I'm just showing you how to dress. You can dress it on your own. You can dress it on your own. Then after that, always show me some love. Thank you for watching. Please help me to always share it out because other people may need it. Just help me out, show me some love. Do not take anything from it. Rather, you get more appreciation from me. We have the one of star that you can as well put here. Let me check if I got it. Okay. You can as well use this if you want to use this, something like this. You can as well use it. It's not going to be. Please don't be offended if I tag you too much, you don't like it. You can as well untag me. Untag me if you want. you are doing it, you have to settle down, do it gently. You know, you are doing it on your own. You have to do it gently. Just order from me. It's not that much. Prices are not much. I don't know if this video is clear there, but my own is clear here. After making the video, I'll find out that it's not clear. This is it, guys. If you want to use cap, because some people complain that they don't have hair, that how can they do this a bit, and most of them, they don't like carrying heavy things. They just need a simple style. You can see with few minutes you'll be done with it. Sometimes I do advise people to buy it. When you have it, you have it forever. When you have it, you have it forever. Please show me some love, guys. Please, I deserve it. Please. If you want your hand to be more fuller than this, maybe you want 4, you can swear order 4. But if you choose to use 2, you can see they are still beautiful. Even when on 2, they are very beautiful. If you are still on 3, still more beautiful. You understand? Depends on your pocket. Depends on your pocket. If you want the one of hand, if I'm selling it, it will be fuller than this. You understand? Then we have the purse. If you want the purse as well, this is the purse. Then the cow tail, we have it. If you need the black one, is as well available. How do I look? I look more beautiful. I look more beautiful. I have to praise myself. Yes, you see how beautiful I am. How many beads is here? Just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one is not compulsory. That you must use it. That the bead must foot to here is not compulsory. I'm talking about those that don't have enough to give. Because I always advise people to always be on the traditional ways. I love beads so well. I love beads. Let me say, since 2010, that was when I started doing this beads business, very little then. I thank God that I was able to bring it to this Europe. You can see how beautiful it is. It is good to always be on your traditional wears when doing marriage. Don't say there is no more there, so therefore you will not make yourself beautiful. You will not dress as in what your body needs. This is what your body needs when you are doing your marriage. It's not about, some people say it's all about dowry. It's good to pay your dowry. It's good, but I love this. This represents your culture. This represents that you are married. You understand? This represents that you are married. You have to do this. I know people say it's not by this. Sometimes it's by this. I personally love this. You understand? The main reason why I love this, why I do advise people to do it, when you have this in your home, you have this in your home. You don't, as in, you will not be the one to tell people that you are married. Maybe your husband is from Isha. He has to put on the Isha wears as well, which is the Igbo. You can see the Isha wears. Your husband, look at how beautiful I am. I love this Isha wear so well. You understand? Then you see, oh, married, they hungry me again. Married, they hungry me. You see, you understand? Put this one on. Look at how beautiful I am. I have already changed. You must not say that somebody have to beat you. Maybe in your area you don't have somebody that will do this. You just have to beat yourself up. Then we also have the one of Igbo people. You understand? Everything is available. We have the one of Benin. I do say them. I said this. We have the one of Benin as well. The one for sale is available. You just leave you money. Yesterday I advised our women that they should buy this to surprise their husband. Apart from birthday cake, you can still give this to your husband. Apart from birthday cake, this one will last forever. It's very cheap. You can afford it. We have the skirt, and sometimes your husband can as well wear this one on black trouser or white trouser when going to church. It will give your husband more respect that he is from Benin. We have the one for Igbo. You understand? We have the one for Igbo. Both the baby boys. You can see for their birthday as well, service in church, Children's Day as well. They are all available. It's little money. When you order it, you receive it 3 to 5 working days. At least 2. It depends on the shipping. We have their card as well. We also have this one for the boys. Then we have the black card. Their beads are also available. If you need white or red bead, it's available for the children. We have different color. Understand? We have it in bulk. This one is for adults. It's for the male. This one is for adults as well. We have different color. All the colors are available. As we have it in Benin big size, that is how we have it in small size for baby boys. And as well for this, I have this for girls as well. Likewise, Ishan wears. They are all available for you. If you want to buy it, they are available. This is it, guys. Yes, you can see how beautiful it is. And many people are not from Benin. Like other tribe, if you also want to use this as well, let me change the cap. Maybe for those celebrating their birthdays, you want to use this cap as well, you can also purchase this. You see, with your wig, if you want me to put on wig to see how I look, it look more beautiful on your wig. You understand? As well, use this as well. If you don't want this, maybe you don't like this, you want white of this, it's also available. You can as well go for this. Wow, this one look more beautiful. The Igbo people, this one is also, which people are using this cap that's here? Deep what I call to, I can't really remember. All I know, everyone is available. Anyone you want, just screenshot it and send it to me to be delivered to your doorstep. No why you no scam. There is no scam. Okay, order your own, deliver to your doorstep as you want it. If you are using it for your birthday, everything is available. For the people have fans, everything is available. Everything is available as well. When you buy complete. When you buy it complete. If you don't want it complete, you buy the one that you can afford. Buy the one you can afford. Everything is available for the Asian people. Everything is available. Okay. Thank you for always patronizing me. God bless you for watching. Thank you for your love, for your kindness. God bless you all. Much love. Because I don't want this video to be too long for the sake of other people that will be watching later. That's just the reason why I will end this video now. If you have any other things or you want to ask me any question, you are free to ask me. My WhatsApp number is there. Always contact me. I do go around. If you want me to bid you okoko, yes, I am available, both makeup and all. Forget about my makeup that I don't do it. I will be able to do your own as well. Thank you for always patronizing Happy Seller, for contacting me. Everything is available. I am here for you guys. Especially the Asian people, please come and carry your ego. I say come and carry your ego. You need it more than I need it. You need it. It's everlasting property. You understand? You might say maybe you don't have where to wear it to, but sometimes you might need it. At least it's everlasting property. Just buy it, keep it, let it be there. At least if you don't use it, your children might use it. Somebody that is close to you might also use it. It is good to have it. It is good. It might be because the Asian people is more costly than every other thing that is here. Every other place that is here. The Igbos and what's it called, Benin and other tribes. Please come and carry your Igbo. My money is here. Come and carry your Igbo. Thank you. I love you guys. God bless you. I'm expecting your call. Free to contact me. Thank you. Much love.